Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. To me, audio perfection is not only a hobby, but also a lifestyle and attitude. Take these floor-standing speakers as an example. I acquire them and upgrade the drivers with the best ones that fit the dimensions immediately. And after that, I've been enjoying the result for quite some time, until recently I decided to remodify the crossover. And the reason for that is that I want to improve the sensitivity by replacing these original laminate core inductors with the high power, low ESR toroidal type of inductor. And I was able to improve the sensitivity by almost 2 dB throughout the frequency range. That is significant. And it basically allowed me to downgrade my high-end separate amplifiers with this simple AV receiver, the Marantz SR8012. By doing this, I'm now able to accommodate more audio and video resources, and especially for multi-channel playbacks and so on. By comparing the crossover topology, you may notice that the modified crossover is much simpler than the original. And that means our frequency response may not be as flat as it was. However, our phase coherence would be much better, and hopefully the speakers will sound more natural, or in other words, will be more tolerable to different type of resources, audio, video, especially from nowadays like a Bluetooth or YouTube. So this is the overall reason. Now the system is much simpler, and it's actually did sound better in mediocre kind of resources, and almost as good for those hi-fi content. So from this lesson, I learned that in most cases, simple is the best. For more perfection videos, please refer to my channel, and thank you for watching.